Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 89 Featherstone Road. This is in a very popular location and is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property. And then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here with stairs going up to the first floor. And just looking back at the front door and into the sitting room. Lovely large bay window here to the front aspect. Really nice condition throughout this property as well. And then moving through to the open plan dining kitchen. Where we have a lovely modern kitchen which includes a fridge freezer, cooker, washing machine, dishwasher and a gas hob with an extractor above. And views down the garden from here. And then we also have a breakfast bar area with further fitted storage cupboards and then bifolding doors leading out into the garden. And then there is also a built-in understairs storage cupboard, which is where the boiler is housed and provides additional storage space. Okay, and then on to the first floor landing, where we have a window to the side. You can also see the loft access point just there. We have 3 bedrooms on this floor and the bathroom, starting with the first bedroom here at the front of the property. So again, lovely large bay window to the front aspect, and we have a range of fitted furniture in this room here. And moving across to the second bedroom. Again, a good size. And this one facing towards the rear, looking out across the garden. And moving through where we have the third bedroom, this one facing towards the front of the property. And then across to the bathroom, which has a lovely large walk-in shower, as well as having the bath in the corner there as well. And then coming out from the bifolding doors, we have a raised decked area which steps down to the main garden. There is also a paved area to the side, which has gated access going back through to the front of the property. And just walking down to the far end, where there is a play area with artificial grass. Just looking back at the property, and this concludes the online viewing. If you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please call the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.